a tennis ball, income tax, the city centre,
a television camera, a television programme, a television studio, a television producer,
language problems, marriage problems, health problems, work problems.
Garden vegetables.
A vegetable garden.
a frying pan, a washing machine, a swimming pool.
I waited at the hotel reception desk.
We watched the World Swimming Championships on television.
If you want to...
A headache, toothpaste, a weekend, a car park, a road sign,
A sugar bowl and a bowl of sugar.
A shopping bag and a bag of shopping.
A 3-hour journey,
A £10 note.
A 4-week course.
A 6-mile walk.
2 14-year-old girls,
It was a 4-week course.
But
The course lasted 4 weeks.